By the end of this video, you will know how to create an estimate in Wave. Start by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. This is where you will find the main navigation for your account. Click Sales and Payments, then select Estimates. That will take you to the area where your estimate records are managed. On the Estimates page, click Create an Estimate. Wave will open a new estimate draft so you can begin entering the details. If you already have existing estimates in your account, this new one will appear as a separate draft until you approve and send it. The next step is to select a customer for this estimate. Choose the correct customer from the available list in Wave. Make sure you pick the right customer before moving on, since the estimate will be tied to that contact and shared with them later. After that, enter the estimate details. This is where you add the products or services you are quoting. Fill in each line with the relevant item, then enter the quantity and price for each one. If taxes apply, add those as well. If you need to include a discount, enter that in the appropriate field before continuing. As you complete these fields, Wave will calculate the totals based on the information you provide. Take a moment here to make sure the item details match what you intend to send. Check that the quantities are correct, the prices are accurate, and any tax or discount has been applied as expected. This helps avoid sending a draft that needs to be revised later. When the estimate details are in place, click Save and Continue. This stores your progress and moves you forward to the next part of the process. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for it to finish loading before you continue. Now review the estimate, look over the customer information and the full quote details on screen. This is the point where you confirm that everything appears the way you want it to before finalizing the draft. Read through the products or services, the quantities, the pricing, and the total amount so the estimate reflects exactly what you want your customer to receive. Once you are satisfied with the draft, click Approve Draft. This changes the estimate from a working draft into an approved version that is ready to send. After approval, click Send Estimate to share it with your customer. That completes the estimate workflow from creation through delivery. Your estimate in Wave is now created, approved, and sent to your customer.